What's good, squad? It's your boy Mustang Muscle 5.0, aka the Mad Titan, coming with a brand new video. Yeah, man, I got a little goddamn something for you guys. I'll insert that in a little bit, but I just thought I'd just let you guys know that you don't have nothing to worry about, because what I see, you will see. So in the meantime, sit back and enjoy the ride. Look like you found what you were looking for. That's what you're looking for. Come on. Where the fuck you going?
That off the park, like, what the fuck?
He coming. So we found a new location for our photo shoot. As you can see, we're out in Lenox. It's looking real nice. Looking real nice. We got the Mustangs. Everything looking good. How'd it go with the Hellcat?
Oh, I raped him.
Okay.
But what he said was, I'm lucky he has his family with me.
Oh, that's what he told you?
That's what he said after I passed him and slowed back down. You lucky I got my family with you. I said it wouldn't have mattered.
No, he was going fast in that little skinny ass road anyway. We got the drones out here. You go that way, I go this way. I got the video. Oh yeah, this dark side all day long. This what we doing, y'all. This what we doing. My man got the drone. Boom got the drone. Look at. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. There she go. There go my love.
my people OG.